Okay, so we've got a question here that involves a mix of shapes. It's telling you that there's a rectangle, a circle. It's telling you there's a diameter going on, and it says calculate the percentage of the area. So there's the big clue. We need the formulas for area. So area of rectangle length times the width, and area of circle. If we've sung our song several times, we should remember it. So the area of the circle sounds like pi r squared to me. So area of circle, pi r squared, where r is the radius. So we must remember that's the radius. And the radius is equal to 8 centimetres, because if that's the diameter, 16 centimetres, then the radius is 8 centimetres. Okay, so calculate the percentage of the area of the rectangle that is shaded. Okay, so what we've got then is we've got a rectangle, right, so area of rectangle A, B, C, D equals 19 times 16. So 304 square centimetres. Area of semicircle BC is equal to pi times the radius squared divided by 2. So pi times 8 squared equals divided by 2. So 100.53 square centimetres. So shaded area equals 304 minus 300.53. Okay, so take away 304. So 203.469 square centimetres. Okay, so what we've done there then is we've recognised that the rectangle ABCD includes the shaded part plus this half circle. So if we work out the area of the whole rectangle, take away the semicircle, then we'll end up with the shaded bits. That's what we've done here. The question says calculate the percentage of the area of the rectangle that is shaded. Okay, so percent shaded is equal to the fraction times 100. So percentages of one number of another number is always fraction times 100. That's a quick way of doing them. So the shaded bit was 203.469. The whole area of the rectangle was 304. So divide by 304 equals times 100 equals, so 66.93%. Then we realise the question wants the answer to one decimal place, so 66.9%. Okay, so the question wasn't too bad in the end as long as we remembered our formulas. And our formulas for area, length times width for a rectangle, pi r squared for a circle. Think about the logic of the question. Big rectangle, take away the half circle. Remembering that r is radius, so only 8 centimetres. And again, percentages then, fraction times 100. So percent, fraction times 100. Something I've got to remember. One number is a percentage of another. Okay, so quite a long question. It's worth 4 marks, so roughly around 2% of your grade. So it's worth working at it. Again, being very clear on our workings out, showing exactly what we're doing at each stage, step by step.